God damn. You know, Halloween was yesterday, but you should have been like, boil, boil, toil, and trouble.
Now, everybody remembers what it looks like because it's on video.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, that thing was disgusting. That was on the floor like half an hour ago. Wow. Wow.
Oh, we're hoping we find another one to replace that.
Oof, that's disgusting flavor.
Oh, yeah. And then I'll take the wire brush to this one.
Put it back in the juice.
Put it back in the juice. I mean, we need to get these to go back as nice as possible.
Look at that.
So everything's soaking in that one.
Nice.
Now this one.
What's in there? That's purple power.
Yep, straight.
Look at. If you work for this company.
No, but I love their product.
No, I was just saying, if somebody viewing this works for this company, send us cases of this, please.
Coconut.
Or if you love Scotty, which I don't know who loves Scotty, but...
Oh, my God.
Oh, it's coming right off. Look at that. But yeah, get him some of that.
Not the greasy junk.
No,
the coconut infusion, buy.
Yeah.
Go figure, the drink is buy. Okay, so I'll scrape some of this off, put it back in, let it soak.
Dude, we should do a product review on that.
On what the...
The buy.
Oh, hell yeah.
All right, let's do that after this.
All right, so let's scrape some of this off. Can you grab me the long razor blade? It's right by my glasses. Please be careful.
There you go. You didn't want the mirror, the credit card, or the straw?
Nope.
That's weird. Oh, ew. But look at that. And then once you get it kind of scraped, you're going to throw it in the No More Rust stuff.
Yep.
Yeah. Get it cleaned up. Look at you.
I mean, it's...
Light years better than it was. I mean,
oh, hell yeah.
Disgusting. This whole thing's turning out really nice.
So...
I know John's excited. He's like, oh, yeah. He's going to be here any minute. He's going to be here any minute.
Oh, yeah.
You should go do your makeup.
Makeup. Makeup, hair, come here.
Where's our stylist? Scotty needs a stylist.
Yeah.
There's not much here to style according to this angle.
I know, right?
If we didn't love you. Ooh, you're just gonna spray it? Alright, we'll come back when you're done scraping. Ooh,